Good afternoon. It's me again, your favorite mommy vlogger, Decca. Thank you so much, guys, for your love. Thank you for the love you guys showed to my previous video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we're back to vlogging. I miss vlogging, guys. I was just like telling Hobby that, like, I just need to vlog. Like, I'm not showing you guys what I want to show you guys, right? Anyways, I don't know what's happening to this my gown. Since baby came, it's no more buttoning, it's now tight. So I'm just chilling in the kids room with your favorite girl, baby Hola. Oh, see my boobs, Jesus. For those that were asking me what's her name is actually Hola Naya for long. That's Jean Naya, Hola Naya. And Ola for short. Okay, so she's sleeping with my mom. I'm actually with my mom, and you guys are going to see her in this vlog. Obviously, she said she wants to walk around the compound because blood is not flowing on her leg. It's not easy. I can imagine how she's feeling, really. And guys, you know, I've noticed that those that grew up in Lagos, Port Harcourt, you know, when they come to Abuja, it's difficult for them to cope because Abuja is really calm. It's a calm life kind of place. Why Lagos, Lagos, Port Harcourt is like dish kind. That's why I got my dish kindness. But really, guys, in as much as I am so dish kind, I'm also really an introvert. They call us ambiverts. We like our quiet times. We still like our, you know, turn up times. She's always sleeping in the night. Now she will not be disturbing me, like just shining eye and doing. If you just try and sleep, that's why she's not doing here. It's not easy, guys. Well, she's so cute, and guys, she looks like Hobby. She really looks like Hobby. Normally if it looks like Hobby, yes, but there is this, she has Hobby's features. His head shape, his headline, his everything. She just has it, which is really perfect one, because people say Gina looks like me so much, so I want someone else to look like my Hobby so much, like, you know, that kind of eBay looking. Like me, I have to remake this my hair tomorrow. The hair don't try, the hair don't, oh, the hair have served this purpose, and I have to remake it. Hola, baby. See how she set her bum up. See how she set her bum up. See, just see her bum up. See how she put her bum up. My cute baby. Sorry. Have you seen Hola? I have seen Hola. Hola is my little girl. She's mommy's angel. Anywhere she goes, mommy will be calling her. Anywhere she goes, daddy will be calling her. Can I take a picture to recognize Hola? Hola is my little baby. She's mommy's angel. And a picture of Hola, that's for me. Oh no, Hola, oh, hey, I love you. Oh no, Hola, I love you. Hola is my baby girl. She is mommy's angel. Anywhere she goes, mommy will be calling her. Anywhere she goes, daddy will be calling her. Can I take a picture to recognize Hola, baby? Can a picture smile? No. Can a picture laugh? No. Can a picture do what my Hola does for me? Oh no, Hola, oh, Hola, I love you. Hola, baby. Hola, oh, Hola, I love you. How you doing? Perfect.
You just have to write the
Very
cutter.
nice.
You just have to write the cutter. But I wrote the A in the middle of this T.
No,
It's E, right? I didn't know. It said we cutter. That's why I just write cutter. But instead it was C, like cutter. E, we didn't say O. Why didn't you pass the eraser to me? I didn't know you had you need an eraser. Don't poopy time. The grass cutter is used. We have different kinds of shovel. We have that shovel, but we also have different kinds. I want to draw the one. See that flower and that people do.
Say hello. Hola. Hola. Say hello. Say hello. My dish kind baby. Say hello. This one other song you made up for her.
Oh, Divani.
Divani. Divani Sasa.
Oh yeah, that's it. Divani Susasa. Divani no.
It's Divani Sasa.
Divani Susasa.
Divani Sasa. Divani Sasa. So guys, I just woke up. I actually slept off because I didn't sleep well last night when immediately the kids left. Immediately the kids left, I just slept. It's baby. You see baby over here. Like, so I'm about to eat pepper soup. My mom just made pepper soup for me. Let me show you guys. So that's the pepper soup. She made it with yam. Like, I don't know, I just suddenly started feeling somehow this morning. I started feeling very, very sad this morning. I don't know why. I just felt like I think it's more about food. I wasn't eating what I wanted to eat. I don't even know what I want to eat. This thing said that they brought for me. I don't know if I even want to eat it. But it's called, this pepper soup is called Jimmy Rocco, Abby. I don't know. They use some things to make it. They use some things to make it. It's been long I ate here, Mom. And my mom used fish, dried fish, to make it with yam. Then they use that black long thing. I don't know, I've forgotten the name. That thing they normally put in this thing. But guys, let me just eat sharp and get ready to go and make my hair. I won't bath. After I'm finished making the hair, then I will bath. I don't even know what I want to make. I don't know. I'm looking. I feel like I'm looking for something, but I don't know. Okay, I'm looking for my tripod. Yeah, if she just hears my voice, she will just wake up. Everybody has been making noises, so she not wake up. When she just hears my voice, she wakes up. So guys, I'm about to take my drugs. I'm supposed to have finished this drug, or something I used to forget. Guys, since this pregnancy, the way I've been taking drugs, things just fire me. I can't believe that it's me. It's me that used to take drugs like this. I just take them, I don't even fear again. Before I'm so scared of drugs that now it's doing me like fear. Okay, one has finished. This one. I don't even know if I'm supposed to take the drug till they finish, though, or I'm supposed to take it for a particular day. Now I drink hot water. I like everything is just annoying, really. So guys, I just received this from at Katela Kids. She actually sent me a message yesterday. Sorry, there is no light. We're in Nigeria, so they take light. She actually sent me a message. I was like, she wanted to send something for the baby. So this is a dress. So this is her page. If you're interested, it's Katela Kids. So you can go on Instagram and look for them. I'm going to leave their link. I'm going to leave her link in the description box, so you guys go check her out for sending this to your baby. Hola. This is the dress. I think she makes the dress herself. Wow, it's so beautiful. This is for child education. Yeah. It's so beautiful.
So blonde, so gorgeous.
It's so gorgeous. I'm going to show you guys again when there's light, maybe so that the beauty will come out very well. Right? It's so beautiful, right?
It's fantastic.
Yeah. It's so perfect.
Well, I think she wrote a letter for you on this thing.
Yeah.
Someone brought it. Wow. So I love it. I love it. Oh, it's so great for the baby. It can be his church clothes. Okay, the other one. Okay. B. My name is Sacha. such a sentence. So is that about the full stop? What is your name? Question. We're done. Let's see.
Guys, like, it's already really late. Baby is not sleeping. I don't know. She just wants me to carry her. If I drop her, she starts, complaining. So I just want to carry her for a while, and then I'll drop her. And I even have to have my bath. Please, I need tips on how to make my baby to be sleeping longer, like at night. If you have any tips, help. Meanwhile, this is the hair I made though. Does it fit me? Like, I feel like it's not nice. I don't know, but everybody's telling me it's nice. My hubby said it's nice, my mom said it's nice. So let me know if it's nice. See your baby girl. See your Hola. She's sleeping.
I'm not tomorrow to get on our wrap and cover that this thing. It's bringing out something. That battery has
Okay, it's just battery. But it's not sports. It's just to buy battery. Okay. The swing.
Which swing?
I thought you were talking about the swing in Palo.
Our swing has vibrator.
The vibrator.
You have to the guy that has to repair all these kind of things. You now know how to put one solder iron now. Battery will not be working. And this one that's one that's one that's in the room. So change the battery.
Which one?
That's the Obi's one I gave us now.
Okay.
That one said those or sing songs, all those things. Battery. Time to sleep, yeah? Do you like hang on?
See your shoulders.
How much is it?
They're very masculine. Wait, please, doing it well. Like, she's just shaking and hiccuping. I'm tired. I want to sleep. Oh, it's okay. Oh, Jesus. Let me bring her out. I'm tired. I want to sleep. She's hiccuping. Okay. Eh?